This is an important message for the students here in Tbilisi and for those who are planning MBBS here in Georgia. I've been getting a lot of DMs about part-time job, especially from the students who have already taken the admission here, and some of them have already arrived here. The reason that I'm making this video is because many of the students are being given unrealistic expectation before coming to Georgia. Some agencies and even some students tell newcomers, don't worry that you can easily manage your university fee and monthly expenses. Guys, please stop giving this kind of information. Part-time jobs do exist, but getting one is not as easy as many people make it sound. And even if you get one, in most cases the income is only enough to cover your monthly expenses and not your university tuition fee. And what concerns me the most is the students who are coming from very weak financial background. Some have problem with taking education loan because they have issue with their properties, and some have family responsibility, and some are investing everything that they have because they trust the information being given to them. Guys, just think about it. A student comes here trusting your words, believing that they can manage everything through part-time work. Then after arriving, they realizes how hard it is to find a job, and even if they find one, they can meet only their monthly expenses, not their university tuition fee. Imagine the mental stress and pressure the students will go through. Imagine being thousands of kilometers far away from their home, worried about accommodation, tuition fee, daily expenses, all at the same time. Please don't ruin someone's future by giving false hope or incomplete information. Some students may make life-changing decisions based on what you tell them. And for the students who are planning MBBS here in Georgia, please be realistic. Medicine is already a very demanding course. Some people says do 2 to 3 part-time work and manage everything. My question is, how is that practically possible? Because one shift can have around 7 to 8 hours, then your classes, your study, exams, assignments, and your own health. I'm not saying don't come to Georgia. I'm saying come here with the right expectations. And part-time can help with your monthly expenses, but depending on them to pay your tuition fee will be very, very risky, because tuition fee per semester is around 2 to 3 lakh depending on the university. So please do proper research before making an important decision, and please give honest information for the future student. So giving this false information is easy, but living with those consequences is not as easy as you think. So please do proper research and please give proper information for the students who are in need. Bye.